Okay, we're going to take a look at Rain, Rain, Go Away, which uses high D on the A string and B on the A string. So this is high D, 4 fingers, and then B is just 1 finger. So this piece only has 2 notes in it, but the rhythm does change a little bit. So let's try saying the notes in rhythm, okay? So we're going to say D, B, D, D, B, D, D, B, B, D, D, B, D, D, B, B, D, D, B, B, D, D, B, B, D, D, B. The other thing you're going to do during this is you're going to keep your first finger down on the A string the whole time. So all you're doing is adding the rest of your fingers to get to 4 and then taking them back off. All right, let's try to play it. Ready, go. Now you can try Starlight, Star Bright, which uses the same notes but has a slightly different rhythm.